Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. But it looks like first we've got somebody trying to take on the Blacktop Legend, and he gets out to an early edge. But let's see how the rest of our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. Our first contestant to step in the ring and do battle with the inlet today is going to be one of those Jetski boys, and my man's Holland Tail. Oh, he almost gets worked. I don't know how he held on through that one. He comes out just a little bit hot, gets tossed like a bull rider right here, somehow lands on the seat but is able to hang on. But man, this is a change your shorts kind of moment. I think I'm going to go ahead and give this first round to Haulover even though he hung on. But let's stay at it. Let's let these Jetski boys try and get some redemption in round two. But my man stuffs it and buries it early. Girlfriend's now soaked and they've come off playing. Oh no! I think we're going over, and we do. We're both now in the drink. My man barely hangs on, but wifey's in the water. She's not going to be happy. Here we can see they just land a little awkward. He can't get on the throttle fast enough. The ski gets on its side, and that's it. They are taking a swim. And I'll tell you what complicates this even more is Haulover's firing a little bit today. You can tell the current's absolutely ripping. He's going to have to catch her on the pass. Fortunately, she gets a hand on the ski. And let's see if she has success trying to get up on this thing. It is never easy, especially after she was hanging on with so much before that, and it looks like she's going to be good to go. But Haulover takes the win, and that's not good. That means Haulover's up 2-0 as we move into our third round, and the Jetski boys are coming in hot one more time. I can't really tell what they're trying to do here. Oh, we're going to try a switcheroo. She's going for it. She's almost in the complete splits. Somehow she hangs on. I thought she was taking a swim. She gets on it, hangs on, and you know what? I'll go ahead and give her the win for the effort on this one, and that'll bring the boats back into the mix just a little bit. But let's give the boats an actual shot this time and let the boats come through Haulover. And here we go, our crew coming through in a nice little flats boat, got it up on plane, and fortunately they got ahead of this yacht. That can cause trouble sometimes, as you saw in one of our videos from just a few weeks ago. And our guys got it up on plane, letting the boat do the work, and they look like they're gonna have no issues getting through Haulover, and that'll give the boats a win here in the fourth round. And somehow, after those Jetski boys let us down early, we get back into it, and we're tied at 2 apiece as we head into our fifth and final round. And here we go. One of our guys is going to try and take a deck boat through Haulover, and we typically know how this fares, but hopefully it works out a little better for this crew. But they're not trimming the bow up, and that typically doesn't fare well for these deck boats with a low freeboard. And now he backs off on the throttle too, and that's it. They're going to stuff it. And here we go, the roller coaster ride that is Haulover Inlet is giving these guys the full Haulover experience. They just backed off on the throttle last second, and the second they did that, that nose dove, and these waves just overtook the boat. And we've only got a few rules on Boats vs. Haulover. One of them, if you stuff the bow, you take the loss. So unfortunately in this one, the boats are going to lose here in the fifth round, and that means the boats are going to lose in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.